I can have it, right? All right. Well, let's see what's under here. It's all covered with water, man. Yeesh. All right. The Toro GTS 2 550 in very rough condition. Yeah, thanks. Yep. Anyways, yep. What we got here? Is it seized? No, it's not seized. But we gotta fix this. We're missing some parts here. The 3-speed. Cables, throttle control, which is nice. Feels okay. Rear wheel drive. All right. Some engine info here. What's going on here? Model type code 124702-3115-01 940-1285. Ah, here it is under here. Model 20436. Serial number 4913194. Okay, I'm intrigued. So we'll take this thing. Let's get in the truck and see what we can do with it. Okay, so we have this GTS 2 Toro 550 in the relative safety of my garage. With the Red Sox on, it's a fine summer's night. And I think the first order of business is to really just try to secure all this crap here. I mean, it's just all kind of falling apart. All right. We can dress it up a little bit better, make it symmetrical. All right. Nice and sturdy. Enough to test it anyways. Let's open up this air cleaner. Let's crack this guy open. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. Let's get that out of the way. A little shot of that. Pretty simple. We're just gonna put the choke on. Choke. Put it neutral. Well, all right, that's good. Get a little bit more juju sauce here. All right, so we have spark and stuff. That's all good. That's all encouraging. But yeah, this is pretty. It's kind of a mess, man. Good here, so we'll just take these off. Oops. All right, like the Amazon basin. All right, so we'll take this off. Speaking of the Amazon basin, look at that. That's just the breather, but nasty. All right, so we're gonna get right under there. That little nut right there. Take that off, drop this out, It's full of gas. We'll have to tip it back, but yeah, and that's going to be 90% of where our problem lies. So let's get about that. I mean, look at the back of this. That's nasty. Just caked down with goop and stuff. Open it up. 13. Low profile wrench. Homemade. 13 millimeter. Fits right on there. Look at that. That's nasty. So there's the problem. There's like some nasty old gas in there. All right, let's see what happens here. Ugh. Yeah, so we're gonna clean this all out. We'll blow it out with some carb cleaner. Hope I got enough. Yeah, so now the other thing is to just clean out clean out this little nut that holds the bowl on. These are notorious for getting clogged up. You have an orifice here, and one on the other side, and one on the bottom, and the fuel kind of just goes into these side ones and up to the top. So let's just make sure that this jets out clean here, T-shape. So it is. Careful not to knock the needle valve out of here. Clean in there a little bit. All right, let's screw it back together, see if it starts. We also have, I cleaned this all up. All right, not too tight. It's not an engine block, we just want to kind of get it on there. Danger, extremely flammable. So that's what we want to see. So let's see if this works now. Let's put a little of that in there. Get the bail thrown down, put it in high gear, put it in neutral. We're going to start. Come on, you. So let's use the air compressor and just clean this out a little bit. Tape over the carb inlet just to keep any junk out. Got a compressor here. Okay, old filter, new filter. Check that. This is a nice old lawnmower. All right, let's wheel her out here for a ride. All right, full thing here. So let's see how this goes. Choke, neutral, grab this. Choke, 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 make sure it's choke. I don't want any embarrassing moments here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. like it. Now look at this. It even has grease fittings on. This is good stuff, man. Go back in the old days. So I just wanted to point that out. Alrighty. Alright, let's start it up and we'll give it a couple of passes. So thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed a little grass cutting here. Take care all. Cheers.